Hey y'all, it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas. Today I'm going to go over how to download and install Inkscape onto your computer. As you can see on my main screen, I already have like my Silhouette Studio installed, my Corel Draw, but I figured we'd go over how to do Inkscape because it is a free one and everyone asks how you do it. So first things first is I'm opening up Internet Explorer, and as you can see, here is my website open, and you can use the code BYSANTA through January the 10th of 2018 for 15% off your entire purchase. Now what I'm going to do is I'm opening up a new window and I'm typing in Inkscape right up there in the top browser bar. Now I'm going to click onto the Inkscape link from CNET. Now, you have to remember to check what you are downloading. Make sure you have a good antivirus installed. I am not a computer expert. This is just kind of the basics. But you can use this pretty much whenever you're installing any type of program. And as you can see right now, it is downloading, so I will go ahead and show you while we are on this a couple of my favorite websites for fonts. So you can go to www.dafont.com. DaFont has a ton of beautiful fonts on here that you can download, as well as www.1003fonts.com. Now these are fonts for personal use. You have to get in touch with the author to take and buy a commercial license. As you can see right here, if you click that link, you can buy a commercial license. But while that is downloading, we'll go ahead and click, see it's finished. Now I'm going to click the run button. Now this is on a PC. It will be different if you're doing this on a Mac. I'm not sure if it runs. Now, welcome to Inkscape Setup Wizard. Next, you have to accept the terms. Click next. We're going to do a typical install and click install. While that is going, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to download a font as well. So I'm going to click download, and we're going to click open when that opens. And whenever I'm going to take and open that up, and you see right here at the top where it says install, click on that, and now that font is installed. It's very simple to do. And I'm going to allow that app to make changes. As you can see, it is installing all the programs, and I did start my new channel today over makeup and such, so go check it out if you're interested. It is Betsy Goater. It's just on YouTube. It's my name. So now that is done, so I'm going to minimize out of that, and we're going to open up Inkscape, which may take a second. Make sure it's going to do what it's supposed to. It's thinking. Which, when you're doing a fresh install, sometimes it can be a little bit different. Okay, had an error. So, it's because I tried to open it twice. But, now we can go over here to our text tool. Type out our name, which is also my new channel name on YouTube. So again, if you want to, you can go check it out. And we can take and text and font. You saw how I took and right-clicked on that. And the font we took and downloaded was Night Brush. Right there. And click apply. There we go. Now we can click over here and make it bigger. And what's awesome about this is you can take and now file, save as, name, and that is the basics of how you download and install a font, and as well as save an SVG through Inkscape. So if you have any questions, please leave them down below. I will try to answer them. I get tons of comments, so sometimes it is very difficult. We are going to go more in depth on how to use this program as well as Corel. We're going to go over full files on how to use Silhouette, Cricut, and then installing the vinyl as well. So again, don't forget to hit that little subscribe button, which will be right about here on your screen below the video. And hit the little bell notification icon. That will let you know when we post new videos. And we will be doing the drawing for the scrap box drawing tomorrow. So be on the lookout for that as well. There will be a new video posted tomorrow. So thanks, and y'all have a great day.